Hi guys, Scott Berry here. In this video, we're going to go through how to assign a pedal to a foot controller. We can assign it to several different parameters, but for this example, we'll go through and we'll assign it to scene up. So now that we've got our pedal, let's connect it in the back. So now that we have our pedal connected, we need to go into the menu of the Jupiter-Xm. So push menu. We're going to go down to system. All of the pedal functions are going to be in a system setting. The reason why is because the pedals can either be set for system commands or scene commands. So there are certain things that we can set a pedal to do that will be that scene specific. But for doing something like scene up, it has to be a system setting. Once we're in the system settings, to move through the different sections quickly, instead of using the cursor down, we can hold shift and then use the cursor down. And you'll see how we jump sections. General, arpeggio, tempo sync, MIDI, and there's our pedal function. So we've got this pedal connected to the hold function. So the hold source is going to be now system. And then we will cursor down and change this to scene up. Now, if you notice, you can see a lot of different things that we can assign, different parameters that we can assign this pedal to. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and go to scene up. This could also be tone up, tone down. I could turn on effects. There could be a lot of different options. So once it's set to scene up, and this is what we want, we would go ahead and hit the right button. Are you sure? Right. And it's now written into the system. So now if we watch, we should see the scene button moving each time I push the pedal. And that's one way and one parameter that we can assign to a foot controller. So again, check it out, look at your other options, and I hope this video helped. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.